Welcome to Replenish Your Qi for the new year. I've brought you with me to Wollongong, New South Wales. What's better way to replenish our Qi is to be in nature. If you can, to find a spot in nature so you can embrace the new energy that nature is always offering, and to replenish all the old energies out of your system, out of your energy field, so that you can replenish and fill up with more new energy. So find your spot and let's get started. Beginning with Earth Wuji posture, feet shoulder width distance apart, palms face down and connect with the earth. Relax and open the joints. Close your eyes and turn within. Take some nice abdominal breath. Breathing in, expanding your belly out. Breathing out, let the belly move back. Relaxing into your body. Your palms to face towards your lower dantian, kidney hug. Inhale, float your hands out, open the quad and sink your weight down. Exhale, float your hands down and stand up tall. Opening up into your lower back, your Mingmen, nourishing the Qi in your kidneys. As you inhale, opening the quad, sink your weight back. Exhale, standing up tall. Filling up with the breath in, and then as you exhale, sink down and gather Earth Qi. Bring it up to heaven and open it out and around you. Inhale, float up. Exhale, sink down just as though as it feels comfortable. This is called water and earth flow. Connecting with the water element and the earth, knowing that the earth contains this beautiful water Qi. You're gathering into your body and connecting with heaven and spread it all around you. And again, inhale, exhale, sink down. Gather earth and water Qi, bring it into your body and expand it out around. Turning the palms face down, pebbles in the pond. As you exhale, push out. Inhale, gather Qi up into your lower dantian. Exhale, expanding, gather Earth Qi and bring it into your lower dantian, the center of power. Pebbles in the pond is a great flow to circulate earth energy. Every time you exhale, you gather, and then inhale, bring it into your lower dantian. Enjoying the flow. Let's alternate. Let's circle one hand out, gather the Qi and bring it into your lower dantian, and circle the other hand out and gather Qi and draw it into the center of your power. Alternating pebbles in the pond, circulating more of this earth Qi, bring it in to nourish your lower dantian. Feel a figure eight symbol in your hips, gathering more of this earth element to nourish into your lower dantian. Enjoy the flow. Come back into Bao Qi and take a moment to notice how you feel. Then 5 water interact. Inhale, float your hands up, rotate the wrists. Exhale, float the hands down. Inhale, Qi rise. Exhale, Qi falls. 5 water interact helps to balance your fire and water element, balancing your yang and yin, feeling a sense of balance within the body, connecting yourself with this abundance of Qi all around you, enjoying the flow. Enjoy a sense of balance. You're going to inhale, float your hands up, elbows in. Exhale, push out. Inhale, expand. Exhale, condense and gather. And again, inhale, Qi rise. Exhale, Qi flows out. Inhale, Qi expands. Exhale, Qi condense and gathers. Feeling the circulation of Qi flowing all around you within the body as you gather into your center of power. Enjoy the flow. This is called Big Bear Circles the Moon. Circling, more qi within the body. Float our hands up, exhale, push out, inhale, expand, spiral your hands around the waist, exhale, sink down, gather earth chi, mix it with heaven's chi and wash down the body. And again, inhale, chi rise, exhale, chi flows out, expand the chi, exhale, collect the earth chi, mix it with heaven's chi and replenish your whole body. Connecting ourselves with the earth force and the heaven force, helping you to replenish your chi, cleansing and clearing, just as the water element helps us to renew, refresh, revitalize. Feel yourself being replenished with the flow. Enjoy yourself as you connect with heaven and earth. Come back into Earth Wuji posture, palms face down, connecting with this infinite flow of qi from the earth, nourishing your body. Now let's chart up our central column. As you inhale, gather up the qi, mix it with the heaven's qi, and allow it to push down, connecting with the earth, alternating the other hand up, gathering heaven's qi and wash down the central meridian. Dragon rises from the earth, helping this core energy to be fed into all the energy within the body. Feel the central column awaken with this bright new qi, flushing and washing, replenishing. Feel yourself being more open, especially in the byway point, in the crown of the head, connecting with heaven's qi, our universal life force energy, charging up with more and more of this replenished qi, feeling yourself more refreshed, more awakened, and more alive. And then let's do both hands together, balancing both sides. Feel this column of light in the central meridian becoming brighter and brighter, charging up with more and more of this beautiful qi. And to come back into Earth Wuji, palms face down, reconnecting with this abundance of qi. Now turn your palms to face in towards your lower dantian, and let's finish with centering. Circle one arm out and up, and center that energy down the central column, and alternating the opposite hand up, and integrating mind, heart, and your body. Feeling a flow of qi, bringing it all back into the center of the body, balancing your mind, your heart, and your body, calming, integrating all this good qi back into the center, into your lower dantian. And seal your hands into the lower dantian, step your feet together to seal up the qi. Bamboo in the wind, relax into your joints of the ankles, your feet. Allow the body to rock and sway, feeling a nourishment of qi, feeling every corner of your body, feeling a sense of renewal, replenishment, of being more connected to yourself with the universal life force energy. May you be blessed with all the good chi. Ami Tofu.